Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. I'm showing you how to make bath bomb brittle. It's basically flat bath bomb pieces. This specific brittle is used to scent and color the water. After the brittle fizzles out, your water will be colorful, sparkling, and scented. Please read the description for very important information. Here, I'm adding color powder. For that tutorial, click the information icon. The description explains each ingredient's role in the recipe. Add wet to dry, then mix it together. Now, knead the mixture with your hands to make sure everything is incorporated. I did the brittle in a fairy theme, so I added some sparkling elements. Once the mix is ready, grab a pan and pack the brittle. Make it as flat as possible and try to keep it fairly thin with a maximum thickness of about a ½ inch. The sides are usually taller than the rest, so pack them down and make them flat. Add decoration on top while the brittle is still moist. This is coarse salt that has been coated. For that tutorial, click the information icon. Dry the brittle completely, about 24 hours. Once it's dry, break the brittle. Wait to break it until packaging. It's better to break big pieces at first. You can always break more later. Put them in a bag or a dome lid and cup if you plan on selling them or giving them out. But if it's just for you, an apothecary jar looks great by the tub and is also very convenient. Remember to alternate color and size. Put small pieces at the bottom with bigger ones in the middle. It only took a few pieces to sufficiently color and scent my bath water. I made some with mica and glitter and some without, and I'm so glad I did because I always go overboard with sparkles. This one has two colors layered and it was very interesting. Matter of fact, I found the best ones had at least two colors or more per piece. For even more interesting combinations, add a tiny bit of SLSA to one color and not the others. More on this in the description. I made this tutorial for an upcoming bombshell bath bomb tutorial. This brittle is going to go inside the bath bomb. When I was looking for color inspiration, I stumbled on a site that determines which type of fairy you are. I thought it was really cute. If you'd like to take that quiz, it'll be linked in the description along with two other links for further fairy reading. Thanks so much for dropping in, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to check out the description for extremely important information, updates, recipes, supply list, and more.